Now then, in this episode we look at creating a retrieval practice exercise to embed in any OneNote lesson, and I'm going to start off with a weekly review. This is when you want to move the students forward through the curriculum and having that pause to look back over material that was explored previously. So this is usually useful at the beginning of a topic. So here you can easily edit the question, and this is where the students put their answers. Students get 1 point for each answer they input here, and then these will obviously be more challenging, and it's up to you how difficult and challenging you want to make the questions based on Bloom's taxonomy is recommended. If you want to go to the monthly review, this is a monthly review of their learning, and on both these templates I provided a PowerPoint as well, which is complementary to the weekly review. So this is 2 weeks of lessons, and then this is a PowerPoint slide you could use for a whole unit. So it gives you 1 lesson, 2 lessons, 3 lessons, 4 lessons, and a total score. So each of these are color coordinated, so the students can choose whichever question they want to do, and it's completely optional if you want to leave the answers in there. So these are examples that I've already created within computing. So as you can see with the monthly review, it's really good routine to build this in as a 15-minute exercise, either at the beginning or as a plenary. And again, the questions are here, so they're not relying on the teacher to show a PowerPoint. You can just embed that into OneNote. You can obviously edit this easily, and then the students will respond, putting their answers in there. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.